everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about linear equation in one variable. A linear equation in one variable is one which can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real number constant and a is not equal to 0. For example is 3x is equal to 9, x plus 7 is equal to 12, 12 minus a is equal to 12. Now, let's have x plus 7 is equal to 12. In this equation, it has a one variable, and that variable is x. And the highest power of x is 1. This kind of equation is called linear equation in one variable or first degree equation in one variable. They are called linear or first degree because the highest degree of a variable is 1. So remember, when we say linear equation in one variable, the highest power or the highest degree of that equation is 1. Now it's your turn. Write LEV if the given is an example of linear equation in one variable, and write NLEV if it is not. So if you are my student, please answer it in your notebook. If not, try to answer it and write it in the comment section. Next lesson, addition property of equality. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, everyone.